In this tutorial, we will provide you with the steps to reset your YouTube recommendations on the mobile application. Occasionally, YouTube may suggest videos that do not align with your interests or preferences. By resetting your recommendations, you can enhance your YouTube experience and ensure that the content you see is more relevant and enjoyable. To begin with, open the YouTube mobile application and tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the gear icon situated at the top right corner to access the settings menu. Within the settings page, locate the option labeled Your Data in YouTube and tap on it. Scroll down until you find the option Manage Your YouTube Watch History and tap on it. You will then see an option to delete. Tap on it and select the Delete All Time option. Finally, tap on the Delete button at the bottom right corner to confirm your action. By following these steps, you will clear all the videos you have watched, thereby resetting your recommendations based on new content you interact with. Please note that it may take some time for the changes to take effect as YouTube learns from your new interactions.